Unmanned aerial vehicles get a lot of attention, but unmanned underwater vehicles are making some waves of their own. A manned submarine launched and recovered an unmanned underwater vehicle from its torpedo tube.
Unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, are robotic vessels used to explore the ocean bed, and they can go deeper and longer than manned submarines would be able to. DARPA's launched a new UUV program called Hydra.
What if a 148-foot autonomous underwater drone could monitor U.S. submarines for weeks without anyone knowing it's there? This is the reality with China's new Sea Ghost, an uncrewed undersea vehicle designed for stealth and long-range missions. It moves silently, stays submerged indefinitely, and gathers critical intelligence undetected. In this video, we'll dive into how the Sea Ghost works, why it's a technological breakthrough, and what it means for the future of naval strategy. Stick around to learn why this could change everything. Sea Ghost's stealthy design and silent operation. And the Sea Ghost is built for stealth, a technological marvel that makes traditional submarines seem outdated. Unlike conventional submarines, which are designed with conning towers, periscopes, and crew facilities, the Sea Ghost eliminates these features. It's uncrewed, meaning no human presence is required, and its design is optimized to minimize its sonar signature. This makes it nearly invisible to traditional detection systems used by naval forces worldwide. Traditional submarines rely on complex hull designs to navigate the seas, but these shapes also create sound that can be tracked by sonar. In contrast, the Sea Ghost is streamlined to reduce sound waves and avoid sonar detection, making it exceptionally hard to spot. This silent operation is aided by advanced noise reduction technologies and special materials used in the drone's construction, all tailored to absorb and deflect sonar waves. Additionally, the Sea Ghost's lack of a traditional sail or periscope further improves its stealth capabilities. It operates without any features that could create a noticeable signature on radar or sonar. This design is revolutionary, as it fundamentally changes how underwater vessels can avoid detection. When submerged, the Sea Ghost can patrol vast areas without raising any alarm, staying hidden for weeks without ever surfacing. In essence, the Sea Ghost's stealth is not just a feature, it's the core of its design. This drone can monitor vast expanses of ocean without alerting its targets, making it an ideal tool for surveillance and reconnaissance. With current underwater tracking systems struggling to catch up with their innovations, the Sea Ghost represents a paradigm shift in stealth technology. The implications are far-reaching. Traditional submarine fleets, which depend on visibility and constant movement for defense, now face a new challenge: an undersea drone that can remain invisible for as long as needed. The Sea Ghost's ability to stay undetected means it could potentially operate right under the nose of the most advanced naval forces, gathering intelligence without leaving a trace. Cutting-edge autonomy and unmatched range. What truly sets the Sea Ghost apart from traditional submarines is its autonomy. This uncrewed vehicle is powered by advanced artificial intelligence, AI, which allows it to operate for extended periods without human oversight. Using machine learning algorithms, the Sea Ghost can navigate complex underwater environments, avoiding obstacles and adapting to various conditions in real time. The Sea Ghost is equipped with a variety of sensors, including advanced sonar systems that can map the ocean floor, detect movements in the water, and identify potential threats. These sensors allow the Sea Ghost to track submarines and surface vessels alike without alerting them. Its AI system processes all this information, adjusting the drone's course and depth to ensure that it remains hidden while still carrying out its mission. This level of autonomy means the Sea Ghost can perform complex tasks like intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and even tracking enemy movements without any human intervention. What's more impressive is the Sea Ghost's operational range. Unlike traditional submarines, which require periodic surfacing or maintenance, the Sea Ghost can stay submerged indefinitely. This is due to its advanced power source, which is likely a combination of efficient battery systems or possibly even compact nuclear energy, giving it the ability to travel vast distances without needing to resupply. This long-range capability allows the Sea Ghost to monitor large areas of ocean without ever needing to surface, effectively rendering it undetectable for months at a time. With no crew on board, the Sea Ghost has fewer operational risks. It can be deployed on long-term surveillance missions in contested regions, observing military movements or tracking naval fleets without ever having to worry about crew fatigue, resupply, or escape. This means it can be sent into areas that are too dangerous or difficult for traditional submarines to access, making it a valuable asset in any strategic maritime operation. In essence, the Sea Ghost's autonomy and range give it capabilities that far exceed those of traditional naval vessels. It can operate in the most hostile waters, gather vital intelligence, and return with its data, all without anyone even knowing it was there. This type of autonomy, combined with its stealth design, makes the Sea Ghost an indispensable tool for modern naval surveillance and intelligence-gathering operations. Strategic implications for future naval operations. The Sea Ghost capabilities have significant strategic implications for modern naval operations. Its stealth and autonomy make it a perfect tool for surveillance, offering military forces the ability to monitor enemy activity without risking human lives. For countries like China, the Sea Ghost could be used to track the movements of enemy submarines, monitor naval bases, and gather intelligence on military activities, all without ever alerting the target. Its ability to remain undetected for extended periods opens up new possibilities for intelligence collection. In the past, submarines and naval vessels have been tasked with similar duties, but they often face limitations in terms of stealth and duration. Submarines have to surface regularly for maintenance, resupply, and to manage crew needs. The Sea Ghost, however, can operate silently and continuously without such constraints, making it an invaluable asset for long-duration surveillance missions. From a strategic perspective, the Sea Ghost's development represents a shift in how naval powers will approach intelligence and warfare. Traditional strategies rely on visible forces, like aircraft and submarines, to gather information. The Sea Ghost, however, operates in the shadows, silently tracking its targets while remaining completely undetectable. This gives it a unique edge, allowing it to stay hidden while gathering critical intelligence on its adversaries' movements. This stealthy, autonomous undersea drone could also change the way nations approach anti-submarine warfare. The Sea Ghost can monitor and track submarines from afar, providing real-time data to naval forces. With such capabilities, nations will need to rethink how they secure their submarines and prevent espionage, as traditional anti-submarine tactics may no longer be effective against such advanced technology. In the broader context of military strategy, the Sea Ghost signifies a growing reliance on unmanned systems in warfare. As technological advancements continue, autonomous drones like the Sea Ghost will play a central role in naval operations, reducing the need for human presence in dangerous or high-risk environments. This shift could fundamentally alter naval tactics, leading to a future where unmanned systems work alongside or even replace traditional crewed vessels. China's Sea Ghost represents a new frontier in undersea warfare and surveillance. Its stealth, autonomy, and unmatched range make it a powerful tool that could change how naval forces approach intelligence gathering, anti-submarine warfare, and strategic operations. The Sea Ghost's design and capabilities offer a clear edge over traditional submarines, staying undetected for extended periods while monitoring the ocean depths. As countries around the world continue to develop similar autonomous technologies, we can expect a significant shift in naval warfare strategies. The Sea Ghost is just one example of how technology is reshaping the landscape of defense. Unmanned systems are poised to play a larger role in future conflicts. To dive deeper into China's groundbreaking Sea Ghost and how it could change naval warfare, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you there.